Congratulations and celebrations. Welcome to UKGA class. Children, first of all, clap for yourself because now you are in UKG class. We are your new mems. Myself, Vandana ma'am, and myself, Mayuri ma'am. Welcome to our new class, that is UKG A class. Hey kids, a very warm welcome to all my lovely children. Children, in LKG class, you had learned so many things. In the same way, we will learn so many things in your new UKG class. Children, in LKG, you had learned letters from A to Z. Now, in UKG, we are going to learn how to make two-letter words from these letters. So, let's begin with English subject.
So kids, these are script letters A to Z that we have already learned in LKG, right? Now we will learn how to make two-letter words from this. Suppose we will take script letter A from here and we'll take S from here. So, when we will join A and S, which word we will form? A, S, S. A, S, S. Which word we got? A, S, S. So, now let's make another word. We will take letter I. And we'll take letter F. Now, when we'll join these two letters, which word will get? I, F, if. Which word we form? I, F, if. So, A, S, S and I, F, if are two-letter words.
Let's make some more two-letter words with nice activity. Kids, which letter is this? Yes, script letter A. And when we put letter N together, it becomes A and N. Now, which letter is coming? M. It becomes A, M, N. And now next, T. A, T, at. Children, which letter is this? Yes, script letter B. And when we put E together, it becomes B-E, B. Then we will join H. H-E, he. Now next letter is M. M-E, me. Then W. W-E, we. Now letter B. Letter Y. B-Y, by. And now children, this is letter M. And we put Y together. It becomes M-Y, my. Now this is letter O. And when we put N together, it becomes O-N, on. And now next letter is F. O and F together, it becomes O-F, off. Now tell me, which letter is this? U. And we put P together, it becomes U-P, up. And now we will join S together, it becomes U-S, us. Children, which letter? Yes, letter D. And when we put O together, it becomes D-O, do. This is letter S. And this is letter O. S-O, so. Now, this is letter T. T-O, 2. Next letter is G. G-O, go. This is script letter I and F together. It becomes I-F, if. Now, letter N together. It becomes I and in. And children, which letter is coming? T. I-T, it. So today we learned so many two-letter words. So children, did you all enjoy? You can do this activity at home also.
चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज योर एंजॉय लर्निंग इंग्लिश बुक. हम इसे ELE बुक भी कहते हैं. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, ओपन पेज नंबर 1111. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, ऑन दिस पेज देयर आर टू लेटर वर्ड्स. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. स्क्रिप्ट लेटर A, then M. A, M, M. Now, what is the next word? A and N. So we will write A and N. What is the next word? AT, at. So write first A, then T. AT, at. What is the next? IF, if. First we will write I, then F. What is the next word? I and in. So first write I and in. बच्चों, आपको ये लेटर्स पास पास में लिखना है. UP, up. ON, on. OF, off. Next, US, us. IT, it. Like this way, you have to complete this whole page. Now children, turn your page. Now children, open page number 1 to 12. BE, B. WE, we. HE, he. ME, me. DO, do. Next one is TO, to. GO, go. SO, so. BY, by. MY, my. So children, like this way you have to complete this page in a neat and clean handwriting.